The Indian Social Responsibility Network (ISRN) feels that the government's vaccination drive in Meghalaya needs an impetus with technical and materialistic assistance with a stronger community engagement to expedite the process of vaccination, especially in areas of low vaccination rate or unreachable pockets of the state. Speaking with media persons, the team leader of the ISRN, Dr. Richa Sharma, informed that in order to expedite the vaccination process, U.S. Agency for International Development or USAID supported Momentum Routine Immunization Transformation and Equity has partnered with ISRN in 4 districts of the state, namely Ribhoi, West Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills and East Garo Hills of Meghalaya. She also informed that the Indian Social Responsibility Network is a national level non-governmental organization working in the field of COVID-19 vaccination program in 10 selected districts of Meghalaya and Nagaland to support and amplify government's efforts in successfully vaccinating the eligible population, to cover the left out and non-vaccinated population above age 12, with special focus on people with comorbidity and marginalized ones such as the tribal population, people living in hard-to-reach areas and others.
We are Indian Social Responsibility Network (ISRN). We are an NGO, national level non-governmental organization working in field of COVID-19 vaccination program in 10 selected districts of Meghalaya and Nagaland. So we are currently working in Nagaland and Meghalaya, in 6 districts in Nagaland and 4 districts in Meghalaya. And if I say 4 districts in Meghalaya, again I'll tell you it's West Khasi, South Garo, East Garo and Ribhoi. To support and amplify the government efforts in successful vaccinating the eligible population, to cover the left out and non-vaccinated population above age 12. So now it is open for above age 12. So we are now focusing on above 12. With special focus on people with comorbidities and marginalized one such as tribal people living in hard to reach areas. ISRN has been doing different types of field level activities for amplifying the COVID-19 vaccination program in the state of Meghalaya. So we are doing awareness camps, we are supporting vaccination camps, we are doing wall writing for the awareness of people around. We are doing miking activity to let people around about the vaccination centers and about the COVID-19 vaccination programs. So we are doing IPC, interpersonal communication, going hard to reach areas. We are doing IPC, we are making them aware, we are one-to-one, we are interacting with people. We are training the healthcare and frontline workers for COVID-19 because COVID-19 is very new to us. And although it's been 2 years, but still people like healthcare workers have certain confusions and all. So we train them and we have vaccine on wheels where we hire some vehicle, and these vehicle help in vaccination program.